This is a interactive experience.
Take one of the magical golden bookmarks out. You'll hand the bookmark to me. You'll open the page and read from the highlighted text. Thank you. And please read so we can all hear you.
Just so's you're sure, sweetheart, and ready to be healed, because wholeness is no trifling matter.
Your participation is requested, that it is participatory by design. It is something that is for us to come together and build something as a community right now, and it is something that can only be built in this moment because these people are in this room right now.
No. We'll start with water. What is your movement? Okay. Everyone. Lift those arms. Up. Excellent. Okay. Hold it.
Take a risk. Try something new. I have a motto that everybody can dance, whether you think you can or not. But even if you're just moving your eyeballs, that's a dance.